Cuncolim and Kalangood ODP, which was hurriedly and illegally done by him, which the High Court has struck down. Same thing, people are led to believe that by ODP he will regularize the houses. Not a single house has been regularized. कोणाचेच regularize करूंक ना. On the contrary, NDZ areas पळय आहा आनी low-lying fields, Khazanland, थिंगा permission दिल्या for builders from Delhi and outside Goa to build big structures in Khazanland, in Cuncolim. After the High Court struck it down, work is still continuing in these places. I charge that money has exchanged hands and he wants to regularize these structures for which he has taken money, and that is why he is busy with his ODPs and PDAs. See, there are land of about 25,000 square meters land has been converted on the no development zone in Cuncolim. About 4,000-5,000 square meters of land, fields have been converted. Another 10,000-12,000 in Cuncolim. I'm talking only about Cuncolim. Now I don't know how much field has been this. In Cuncolim, maybe at least 300 to 400 crores.
That's 300 crores camp.
Yes. Kalangood constituency also. Now the latest example was in Parra some days back. Meeting was called by the Sarpanch to decide whether PDA should be there for Parra or not. Now in that meeting the MLA also came, his wife with the Sarpanch who came. When the people objected, so सांगता PDA आम्ही केली म्हणून. तुम्ही कितेंय बोवाट मारा, आम्ही PDA करतले. Now when you call a meeting to decide whether people of the village want a PDA or not, तू येताना सांगता ना आम्ही PDA केली, तुम्ही जाय ते कर म्हणून.